Kanji number 79 for the case of go out or leave. Go out or leave. So here the middle vertical one and later similar case, two similar case. So sound like that. They or shuchu. Shuchu. They or shuchu. So again like that. Go out or exit. That's cool. So here is a meaning, word meaning. So deguchi. Deguchi. So here is exit. So here is they. Sound like that we already know. And guchi here. Guchi. Deguchi. That means exit. Deguchi. Shoppasu. So here is double sound. So shoppasu. Shoppasu. To go or departure. So we already know the show how to write. So pasu here. And this is the bigger one compared to this one. This is bigger, left and right. Shoppasu. To go or departure. Shoppasu. To go or departure. Omoi dasu. Omo e. So here is e. Omoi dasu. Omoi dasu. To remember. So omoi. Let's learn. Vertical and horizontal. Omoi e. So here is e. Hiragana. So dasu again. Kanji. Omoi dasu. Omoi dasu. To remember. Omoi dasu. To remember.